Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will be building a simple mobile app using Expo and React Native. If you are new to mobile development or just want to explore Expo, this is the perfect place to start. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a working app and a better understanding of how Expo makes it easy to develop for both Android and iOS, even for web, using JavaScript. Can we use React Native to build an app from scratch? Yes, we can use React Native without a framework. However, even the React Native team recommends using a framework like Expo. Next chapter we will talk about getting started with Expo and setting up the project without installing anything.